So it's just running a warm-up program, right?
Yeah.
What kind of material are you running on these most of the time?
I'll say aluminum.
You run much steel at all?
Oh, we do small, on and off. Occasionally we'll run some stainless.
Oh wow, I even got a tool. Oh, this is perfect. Even got a tool change in there. Do you often run the spindle at max RPM, or do you run it at a lot lower than its full 100% capability?
We usually run it, it's lower. I mean, we don't usually get much higher than 6,000.
Okay, so 6,000.
6,500.